Hello everyone. In today's video, I will guide you how to link the approved travel request with the expense report. For that, I will log in into my SAP Concur profile. We'll mention the password here. In SAP Concur tool, there are two ways to link the approved travel request with the expense report. First one, by clicking on expense option available in travel request. So I will click on request tab. Then user need to open the relevant approved travel request. So I will open this approved travel request and then click on create expense report. Once user click on expense, report header page will open in which report details has to be updated. So in report name, I will mention travel to Pune. In business purpose tab, I will mention business travel. Travel with fellow employees. If you are traveling with other folks, in that scenario, you need to click on yes. Otherwise, you can click on no. So I will select as no. So here you can see that there are few fields which is reflecting with red flag, or you can say red symbol, which means that these fields are the mandatory fields. User need to fill these details. Otherwise, they will not be able to submit the expense report. So now we can see that approved travel request is linked with the expense report. We'll click on next. Now system gives a pop-up message. Will this report include travel allowance expense? If you want to create a daily allowance itinerary, in that scenario, you need to click on yes. Otherwise, you can click on no. So as of now, I will click on no. So this is the first method how to link the travel request with the expense report. Now I will guide you with the second one. So user need to click on create new expense. Now I will mention the details. Travel to Pune to business purpose. In that tab, I will mention business travel to. If I'm traveling with fellow employees, it would be yes, otherwise no. Now you can see that there will be a add button will be in the lower right corner. So this is the add button. When user click on add option, all approved request will displayed, and after that appropriate travel request can be added to the expense report. So I will link this approved travel request with my current expense report and click on add. Now after adding the approved travel request with the expense report, I will click on next. You click on no. So this is the second method which helps you to link the approved travel request with your expense report. So if you have any concern, any doubt, you can text me on the comment section. I will surely help you on that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.